Welcome to Cisco Meraki 101. My name is Matt DeNapoli, and I'm the developer advocate with the Cisco DevNet program that focuses mainly on the Meraki platform. The Cisco Meraki 101 page is designed to introduce you to the technology and mainly the programmability aspects of that technology, and it provides you with an exercise that allows you to get your hands on with the APIs that are available through the platform. It also introduces you to other resources. It provides you with the ability to dive into some introductory technologies such as Git and Python programming, and it offers you links out to documentation, sandboxes that are available, and learning labs that will walk you through some of the more advanced topics beyond what we see on this 101 page. But the first thing we need to understand is, what is Cisco Meraki? Now, Cisco Meraki is Cisco's cloud managed infrastructure, and it's comprised of a number of different products. The first and most popular of those is probably the wireless LAN offering. The products in this space are called the MRAPs, and there are a number of different flavors that those access points come in. But the main gist of this is that they offer enterprise level Wi-Fi, they offer location tracking and location analytics of Wi-Fi in that space. Next, we have the security and SD-WAN offering, and that's flagshipped by the MX series of products. And mainly what that does is it offers everything security that an enterprise needs to worry about. We're talking about next-gen firewall, intrusion prevention, content filtering, malware protection, addressing and VLAN management. If you can think about it and name it, these appliances cover it as far as security and SD-WAN is concerned. Next, we have enterprise-level switches, and these are easy to deploy, manage, and troubleshoot, all through the Meraki cloud service. And the last one that I want to talk about are the newest addition to the Cisco Meraki portfolio, which are the MV smart cameras. These are truly IoT devices with edge computing and storage on the device themselves. They also provide data back into the cloud service that can be used for things like people counting, light level management, pretty much anything a camera can do, these cameras do. So those are the products that are within that service, and then they are all managed by what's called the Meraki dashboard. It's all centrally managed. There's no on-premise service that needs to be deployed. It is all managed through the Meraki cloud. Now, the thing that we want to go through today, though, is how we extend that with the APIs that are available to us. Now, if you want to learn more than what is available on the Cisco Meraki 101 page, you can head to developer.cisco.com/Meraki, and that's linked off here under the What is Meraki area. You can get hands-on with our basic API calls. This will walk you through a Postman exercise that will show you how to get your Meraki API key. It will show you how to format the structures of the URLs to make those calls within Postman. It'll show you what parameters you need to set to make sure that you're getting Meraki-specific information. And so this will be your primary introduction to the Meraki platform as far as programmability is concerned, and it'll help you understand the hierarchical nature of the Meraki platform. It is set up in that everyone is part of an organization. At least one organization, if not many organizations. And then within those organizations, networks are created. And then those networks then are comprised of those devices that we saw earlier, the security appliances, the switches, the access points, the smart cameras. And those can be configured in any way, shape, or form possible. And actually, they don't even need to be cabled together to be part of the same network. So that's a nice thing that you can add to your hat with the Meraki platform. But the main gist of this is to get you comfortable with the format of the APIs, get you started, and then once you're comfortable with that, you can head off and take the Meraki Learning Labs, and this will introduce you to the 5 different ways that you can integrate with the Meraki platform. The first of those is that dashboard API, which is what you're going to see with that initial hands-on learning lab. You'll learn about interacting with the location scanning API, which is that location tracking that I mentioned earlier. You'll learn how to set up webhook alerts for network monitoring and management. You'll learn about how to interact with the APIs for the MV Sense cameras that we talked about earlier. And then finally, you'll learn how to build and deploy what we call external captive portals, or XCAPs. This will allow you to engage with your engage content with your users as they connect to your Wi-Fi. And because these are web applications, you can build out anything you want. If you want to engage your customers with surveys, if you want to get a little information on, or you just want to count the number of people that are connecting to your Wi-Fi, you can do that through those services. All of those learning labs then are covered, are run against the Meraki sandbox. We have 3 sandbox offerings available as part of the Meraki DevNet Meraki offering. We have an always-on read-only environment that allows you to call some of the Get dashboard APIs. We also have reservable sandboxes that are available to us. 5 of them are available through the small business reservation, and these are made up of 1 MX series appliance, 1 switch, and 1 access point, and that allows you to interact with that particular network in any way, shape, or form you see fit. And finally, in a new addition to the Meraki sandbox offering is the Meraki Enterprise sandbox, and there are 3 different pods available to you there, and they're all comprised of an MX84 series appliance, a MS 24 port switch, and these ones actually have the cameras in them. So if you want to get your hands dirty with the MV12 camera APIs, you can do that through those sandbox environments. Once you've built something and you want to share it with the world, you can do that in the Meraki Code Exchange. This is our open source area for sharing all of the sample code or tools or solutions that are available specifically for Meraki. So even if you're looking to get started, you can head out to Code Exchange and see that code and get started with location scanning, with building out those captive portals. So there's an extension from the Learning Labs to the Sandbox to the Meraki Code Exchange there. If you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Twitter at the DNAP. The Cisco Meraki 101 page is your jumping off point for your Cisco Meraki programmability journey. I'm always here to help. Feel free to reach out and enjoy your programmability journey with Cisco Meraki.